In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-fit in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to adjust your column widths to fit the data contained within them efficiently. Whether you're handling large spreadsheets of data or just wanting to make your document look neat and tidy, auto-fit can significantly enhance your productivity and the visual appeal of your work. Let's dive into the process. First, begin by opening up Google Sheets. You can either launch it directly from your browser by navigating to your Google Docs dashboard or by opening a new tab and selecting the Google Sheets icon if you already have it bookmarked. Once you've opened up Google Sheets, you're ready to start working on your document. Next, you'll need to identify the columns that require resizing. Simply click and drag your mouse to highlight these columns. Highlighting ensures you're selecting all the columns that need adjustment simultaneously, which saves a lot of time compared to adjusting each column individually. So make sure you've highlighted all the columns you wish to auto-fit. With the columns highlighted, take your cursor to the top of the selected region and give it a right click. This action will open a context menu that provides various options related to column management. From this menu, locate the Resize Columns option and click on it. This essential step will open the Resize Settings dialog, guiding us closer to the AutoFit feature. Now that the Resize Options dialog is open, you'll notice an option labeled Fit to Data. This is the option we're interested in, as it automatically adjusts each column to fit its longest data entry perfectly. Select this option to enable AutoFit for your selected columns. Choosing Fit to Data is particularly effective when dealing with uneven data lengths across your columns, ensuring everything fits just right without excess space or cut-off text. Once you've selected Fit to Data, all that's left is to confirm your choice. Simply click on the OK button to apply the changes. As soon as you press OK, you'll see your columns transform, with their widths altering to snugly fit the data they contain. This process completes automatically, giving your spreadsheet a polished and professional look with minimal effort. By following these simple steps, you've successfully auto-fitted your Google Sheets columns. This action not only improves the comprehensibility of your spreadsheet, but also enhances its aesthetics, making it easier on the eyes and more user-friendly for whoever might be viewing your data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to watch our other videos for more tips on boosting your productivity with Google Workspace tools. Thanks for watching.